Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today basically my point agenda for today's video, like how can we use our time in a good way so that it will help in a near future. So you can see there have been a lot of videos which I uploaded in this YouTube platform, and so I've been continuously consuming YouTube at least 6 to 7 hours a day for entertainment purpose. So once I realized that, so I started uploaded video, and I started focusing on my things which where I am not good at. So the English speaking one is very important for me because I was always feared of speaking, but still I just want to basically speak fluently and confidently like a native speaker do. So for that I just try these kind of activities so that I can build confidence and I can speak fluently in YouTube as well. So I upload 5 minutes video every day so that I never find myself in a new place where like I didn't know anything about English, or I am basically training my mouth to speak fluently, because the more you practice the better you become. So that is how the things work. So for that only I just upload videos every day. So there are and this basically helps for people who also want to do the same thing, but still they are struggling towards basically their goals. Yeah. So I'm the person who basically by watching me you can basically start speaking as well, because there's a lot of work you need to do basically in mentally as well if you really want to basically do something in your field. So you also need to mentally prepare, like you need to find out why it is mean to you most, because that is how basically I'm able to perform in a consistent basic basis, because this is what matter the most. There are a lot of people. If I told you about one story which I learned from one book, which is name is start with why. There is Wright brothers who didn't have some sort of resources, but still they have a mentality to basically build a aero- aeroplane. And in those days, such as like 19th century, there is nobody basically dream of like flying aeroplanes. So at that moment they have decided to do that, and there is no one who's helped them, but still they have a thinking of doing that still. And there are other people as well who do have a money, but they don't have a plan, willpower, or you can say consistently performing the one task. So basically the Wright brothers suggested people's that they are making like aeroplanes. They have shown basically their plan, but people think that that is not possible. So yeah, but they believe and they did it. So that is what matters the most. If you know like the outcome at the end of the outcome, so you will always basically work on it. So this is how the things works in real life as well. You don't need to basically focus on other people, you just need to focus on yourself. That is what most important. That is the most priority for yourself as well. So you need to find out your why you are doing that, and what is the purpose behind that. So my purpose is same. I just want to upload video, and I just want to be more productive and be more good at communication skills. That is what my major areas are. So I hope you get the things which I want to basically express. So on this video, that is it. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Have a good day.